SolidCAM UK are the UK reseller for SolidCAM, which is a generic or a high-end CAD/CAM software. And primarily we're working with inside SolidWorks. We also work inside Inventor. We work inside Solid Edge as well. So we're here showing this off this week. Obviously one of our partners is Star, and hence we're here. We've been working with Star probably for about 4 or 5 years now. Our software has been developed over the years. It's about 40 years old. It was our 40th anniversary this year. And generically it's been across sort of milling and turning for a long, long time. And about 5, 6 years ago, we added the ability to support sliding head machines. So hence our sort of conversations initially with Star as to how do we sort of approach work in the UK with you. So we're now fully supporting. We're doing all their machines. We can do full simulation of all their machines. So any part coming in now can be fully programmed in SolidCAM, fully simulated in SolidCAM, and then put on the machine, press the button, you're away to go. And Star have been really supportive of us. We have a technology centre up in Barnsley, and we have one of their machines in there as well, so we can show this working in real life as well. And I think that's benefited both us and Star to be able to show all that. Showing off here today is the sort of latest versions of SolidCAM, showing our support again for all these machines and what we can do. Just really getting people's confidence that what we're actually doing here will happen on the machines and talking to them about it. A lot of the people here we're meeting we already know through our relationships with Star. So again, it's catching up with customers, showing them what we're doing and maybe introducing them to other areas of the product which they don't know. And just generally trying to keep on top of things and having a good time and enjoying it here. So Star customers coming on here, having a look at SolidCAM. Traditionally these machines are programmed, or have been a long time, by hand on the machines, and it's a bit of an art. We're trying to not de-skill it, but demystify it a little bit, so that SolidCAM becomes a tool to help make their life easier. We're not taking over, we're not doing anything else, but we can now make the complicated parts really, really easy for them.